Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic language detection in the VoiceOver on iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, let's go to the settings, then go to accessibility, then VoiceOver, then speech, and here you can select detect languages. So if you have this feature off, if you select a text on a web page that is not in the your actual VoiceOver language, it is the VoiceOver is going to try to read that in the English, in my case, for example. Anyway, even if the text is in, for example, in Japanese or let's say Greek or German. So if you're going to select detect languages, it is going to read that in the language that the voice is written. So the text is written, sorry. So if you are going to use the VoiceOver on a web page and the text is going to be in German or in Polish or in Spanish, for example, the VoiceOver is going to read it in the language that the text is written. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!